crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make this dog with a giant head that is also a memo holder. So you put the little memo behind his feet just like that. And then in the back, I designed a stand over here where you can have him stand straight upright. So he's super cute. And yeah, I really like him. I hope you like him too. But before we learn how to make this dog memo holder, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button for free crafty fun all year round. And then also turn on the notifications to be alerted when new videos come out. And without further ado, let's get started. To make the dog, you're going to need 2 sheets of square paper. So I'm going to start off with the head because that's always fun. So you're going to take your square sheet of paper and then you're going to fold it in half so that it creates a triangle. And now let's unfold. And then we're going to rotate and do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to fold it in half again to create a triangle and unfold. So now let's take this point over here and we're going to align it to the center point. So just fold it straight up over here, crease it in. And then we're going to take this tip and we're going to fold it slightly down. So you fold it as much or as little as you want. This is going to be the nose area of the dog. Now let's flip it around. And we're going to take this point and fold it straight up as well. Flip it around again, and now it looks like this. So now what you want to do is you want to take notice of this point over here. So there is a vertical crease right over there, and then there's also a point right here. You just want to take this flap over here on the top right corner and align it at those 2 points. So just gonna go like that. It's a very steep angle that we're folding here. And then do the exact same thing on this side. So again, we're going to fold that steep angle. We're going to align that center point at the very top right here, and then also the point on the left side. So now let's shape the dog's head, and to do that, you're just going to take this flap and fold it at an angle. So you can just kind of imagine that the ear is going to go over here, and then the nose is going to be right there. Obviously, the more you fold, the skinnier the dog's head is going to be. So you're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Looks pretty even to me. Crease that in. And now you have the dog's head completed. So we're going to put this aside and then work on the body here. So for the body, you want to do sort of start off the same exact way. You're going to take the sheet of paper, fold it in half, and this is going to create a triangle. Now let's take this tip and align it to the top tip. So we're just folding diagonally, increasing that in. Do the exact same thing on the left side. So we're going to fold diagonally to that top tip. Now let's rotate so it's easier to work with. These 2 flaps here are going to make his 2 feet. So you're just going to take the first flap on the right and fold it on a diagonal. And again, this is up to you how much you want to fold it. You can have big feet or small feet. Do the exact same thing on the left side. So we're going to fold it diagonally, make sure it's somewhat even, like that. And then you want to take these 2 points and we're going to round it. And this just kind of makes his feet and completes it. Do the exact same thing on the left side. Now we're going to flip it around. And we're going to fold this inwards just a little bit. And this is going to give the feet a fun shape, which you'll see when I turn this thing around. And then there is a layer right here, this little triangle. We're just going to take that and fold it straight up. Flip it around. And now you have the 2 little feet, and then also the stand at the back. So before I assemble the dog, I'm going to decorate it. I'm I'm going to use some mini glue dots, which I love, and if you never use these, I highly recommend you trying them. I'll leave a link in the video description to Amazon. So I have these little googly eyes here, and these, I just realized these two sizes are not the same, but I think that will make him kind of quirky, so I guess I'll use them anyway. I'm going to put a glue dot in the back, kind of pull that out, put one here, and then do the same thing with the right one. Put a mini glue dot on there, and then glue his eyeball on. Now I'm going to grab a marker and I'm going to draw in his nose. So it's going to be an upside down triangle, nothing too fancy here. And now to decorate his feet. Now to assemble the bulldog, I'm going to take my glue dot again, put a dot right at the top, and then put his head on. So when you put on his head, you can slant it to the right or you can slant it to the left. This one, I think I'm going to slant it slightly to the left versus the first one here, I just had it upright. And then you can put your little Memo behind his paws. Pop open the stand like this. And your dog Memo holder is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos like this one, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted when new crafty fun videos come out. Thank you so much for your support. Leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Also check out some of my other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!